After seeing the success of the military division's tank, the sound division decided to make their own, mounted with a powerful boombox at the front, powered by a large generator at the back. Only 60 camera dollars. Sound division's kind of more like a healer group more than a damager group. Oh, this feels so much better not having the music blasting through my ears and you guys can actually hear my voice. Oh yeah. So next up we have the sound Colossal mech. Colossal sound mech. Now it's called the sound Colossal. Tier 5, damage very high, health 700, speed 48, jump 225. Second Colossal, released into the battlefield after the military Colossal defeated the hands of the force Noobtubs. Equipped with a powerful laser cannon built for quick and mobile combat, only $360. Yep. Quite the beauty this guy is. Giant headphones, big speakers on the back, got a jetpack, you can see him flying really. Big bow tie at his core. And this big blaster, which honestly, for me, it kind of looks like some kind of flashlight. So he's got the charged arm blaster, which for some reason makes the metal pipe sound effect when you shoot it. Got the Titanus slash, the arm blaster, which is just a normal version, it's not charged. It does less damage, you can shoot it closer. And the stomp. And he's got that Sans boss fight music in the background. Yeah, he's cool. Oh, next up we have the sound Colossal V2. Now, this dude's basically just the sound Colossal with an extra flashlight on his arm. The sound Colossal V2. Tier 6, health 1000, damage tremendous, speed 80, flashlights involved. He now has a new move, the Colossal Sound. Quite powerful. And the Ginormous Stomp, which is just stomp, ginormous. That's him. I'm pretty sure he jumps higher as well. But yes, this is him. Beautiful. Oh yeah, technically, since he's a part of the sound division, I might as well show him the hacked sound Colossal. Right over here. Tier 6, damage tremendous, health 1000, speed 80, jump 300. Hacked during an ambush by the inventor, the sound Colossal, being captured and fully converted onto the Noobtubs side in the war, forced to obliterate his own teammates. 700, he's only 700 camera dollars, but he also requires a badge. He's a hacked badge, which honestly is not too hard to get. I can show you how to get it as well in another video. Yeah. See him. People, please, as I already said at the start of the video, like and subscribe if you haven't already, and